Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. And as you know that prelims is just 3 months away, you guys might have geared up for your preparation towards the prelims. So to help your preparation, we at Insight have planned some series of sessions regarding the prelims. It is not basically a subject specific classes as such, but the series will talk about a different concept related to prelims or different issues that usually a student faces during his preparation towards the prelims. So let's see what's there in the store for you in the upcoming sessions. So what we can expect in the upcoming sessions. First is facts about prelims. Let's say, how many people write, how many attend, what were the cutoffs regarding to the prelims, how, cutoffs are varying with respect to the difficulty level each year, what are the number of intake every year, what are the people, number of students who qualify in the prelims, that we will talk about in the first session. Then also we talk about some of the myth associated with the prelims, that is there in the market, and we try to bust the myth so that you can have the right information which eventually lead to have the greater confidence towards the examination. Then we also talk about the sources for various subjects, because now you know that in the market there are a lot of sources. People are getting confused each and every day, what to study, what not to study. So we also talk about how to keep the sources minimum and make effective use of it. Then we also talk about solving the test series, because as an aspirant, many of the students who are solving lot of test series, for example 35, 40, but eventually during the last 1 month they will not be in a position to revise what they have done. All the hard work that they have done will get wasted. So we also talk about how to use the test series effectively. Then we also talk about the previous year question paper analysis, because usually what happens in the market is, student usually talk about, refer previous year question paper, analyze previous year question paper. But there is a difference between, looking into the previous year question paper and analyzing it. So let's try to understand how to analyze various subjects. That has been, the kind of question what they are asking. So once you understand or analyze the previous year question paper, you will understand that there are some themes which are recurring every year. Okay. Once you understand the thematization of prelims, for example, what is thematization per se is nothing but, the priority of the government or the world development. For example, climate change, renewable energy, IT, artificial intelligence, the emerging information technologies, those kind of things can be discussed. Okay. And then we also talk about, subject-wise analysis of the prelims, and then we move to what to study and what not to study for prelims. It is also very important. It is not only, important to know what exactly you are supposed to study, but you also should know what you are supposed to leave, or, how you can prioritize your preparation subject-wise as well as within the subject topic-wise. Okay. Then you should know, basically, what to study, what not to study, but you don't know how to study, then there is an issue. So then that is the reason you should know how to study for the prelims. Studying for the prelims and mains are two entirely different things. Whether you should make notes for prelims or not, those kind of, whenever you are studying for prelims, you should know what is important, what is not important, where question can be framed. When you know that, when you are anticipating the things, here the question can be framed, in that situation, it will be easier for you to read and recollect during the examination, as well as it will help you to retain the information for a longer duration. Okay. Then that we discuss. And also current affairs is one vast area where, always people struggle. So we try to discuss about how to study the current affairs and, how to make best use of it. Then how to make revision plan for prelims. Most of the time what happens is you keep on studying till April end, but then you realize there is only 1 month away and you have to revise a lot of things that you have been done from last 1 year or 1.5 years. Okay. This creates a lot of panic situation to many of the students. So what happens is then they end up messing up the things during last 1 month, and the preparation or the hard work they have put for 1 year will get wasted. So we also try to understand how to make a revision plan and make maximum of number of revision. Okay. Then you also talk about CSAT, because nowadays from last 2 years, if you look at, there are so many students who have been extremely good in GS, and also they were good in CSAT during their college preparation, are not able to handle the CSAT and not able to clear the prelims. We also talk about what exactly the kind of questions that are appearing in CSAT, and how to have the approach, what can be done. Whether some people have the myths like, my English is not that good, so I may not go with the passages at all. But is it really required? We always also talk about such things in the session. Then also, usually what students always refer to the question papers, or the test series conducted by the various institute. But what they forget is they need to check all the other examination conducted by UPSC, for example, CDS, CAPF, NDA. So this kind of examination, once you refer, you understand the kind of question that is being set by the professor, and there will be a kind of similar professor or similar kind of question that you can expect in UPSC on the lines. Maybe the difficulty level may be different, but the lines of the question examination or the topics, the themes, that remains somewhat same. So if you have referred a kind of CDS paper, for example, last year, the right to vote for women has been appeared in the last 2 examinations continuously. So you will have a better idea how to refer various examinations conducted by UPSC and how to make best use of it. Okay. Along with that, once we have the sessions over a period of time, we will come to know what can be added in between. Also, we also can expect some feedback or your requirement from your side, and we can make a tailored kind of sessions for you guys as well based on the demands. Okay. So this is the whole idea about this course, or and we will have the regular courses. I mean, we will conduct the session regularly, and we try to cover as much as possible from our side, not any specific subject as such, but overall understanding of the examination. And then you can do your preparation accordingly, so that can help you to clear the examination. So all the best. As you know that this year the posts are too many compared to last 2 years. So it is a best opportunity for you. If you can clear the prelims, there is a high chance that you can get into the list. So we at Insight also request you to work hard for the next 3 months. Also, we will give our best from our side to help you your preparation. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.